Okay, let's spin the wheel for another Do Not Disturb gardening tip. Okay, we have number 89, protecting plants from frost. This is a pretty easy one. We'll flip over to DoNotDisturbGardening.com, go to the first article for all the gardening tips, and then we'll jump down to number 89, where it talks about protecting plants from frost. So there's multiple different ways that you can protect plants from frost, whether you're in the fall and maybe one of your first frost is coming and you don't want your plants to die yet before winter. You can do some of these things to prevent that, or if you're in the spring and you've already planted your plants but you're getting a late frost. So here you can cover your plants with a tarp or blankets and hold them down with bricks, or here you can cover a plant with a bucket and hold the bucket down with a brick, keep it from blowing away in the wind. You can put transplants inside of a tote, or if the plants are already in the garden, you can put the tote right over the plants, or you can put plants into some type of cold frame. You can also keep your plants wet with a sprinkler, so that can also be one trick to prevent frost on your plants if you run a sprinkler during the coldest hours. So those are some ways to prevent plants from getting a frost. Thanks.